Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by downloading Keepass 2, X and running the installer. This gives the full feature set. When prompted, install required. NET components so plugins and CSV import work reliably. Once done, create a dedicated folder for your database files and plugins and make sure you know the install path. This initial setup prevents permission headaches later and lets you test portability. Now open Keepass for the first time and select New Database to begin creating your encrypted vault. You now create the database and choose a master password. Pick something long and memorable, or combine a password plus a key file for extra protection. Next, configure encryption options. Use AES, increase key derivation rounds as your CPU allows, and check transform rounds to slow brute force attacks. Then add groups and entries, filling username, password, URL, and notes so autofill works. Make sure to set an auto-type sequence for apps you use. This saves time and reduces manual errors. Finish by enabling regular backups and saving copies to an external drive or an encrypted cloud folder. This protects you if the file gets corrupted. Install browser integration and any plugin you need, such as CSV import or U-by-Key support. Make sure plugins match your Keepass version. If the database won't open, first confirm the key file and password are correct, then try restoring a backup. If you see header errors, do not overwrite the file, use a copy and seek repair tools. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.